How's it going, guys? I just want to do a quick little video showing how to break down the CMMG bolt carrier group, which converts your AR from a 223-5.56 to a 22 long rifle. I'm gonna do a quick little video, kind of go through, show you how to do it. It's pretty simple to do. Pull the cover off. You're gonna pull back. Just pull this back here. What you're gonna do is just spread these apart. That's gonna come right out. There's your little the feed ramp there, so you can get in there and clean real good. And then this right here, the rest of this is under spring tension, so you want to make sure you hold it so springs don't fly, and if you lose a spring that flies around, you're gonna lose it. It's pretty big, so just pull this out. This separates. This comes out of the back there. So all separate there. And then to pull out your firing pin, you're just gonna go through right here, just like a regular cutter. Pull it out. And that releases your firing pin, so you can clean all that real good. Go ahead and reassemble it for you. Now whenever you're going to reassemble this, there's a flat part right here. You can see it really good. But it's got to go facing up. That way your cotter pin will actually lock in. If you try to put it this way or different ways, it's not going to fit, and your pin's not going to go back into your bolt carrier group. So make sure it's facing straight up. Put the pin back in. Oops. As I was saying, you gotta make sure it's straight up, as it wasn't there. It came off a little bit. There it goes, it pops right back in. I'm gonna reassemble this. This goes this way. Right back into there. And this goes into this little, there's a little deal there to put that back in. Slide that back in. Go ahead and spread it apart a little bit to get it back in there. Then your feed ramp always goes facing down, so you spread it back apart. Just spread it slightly. It's got two channels. I don't know if you can see that right there on the side. Get that back in there. Once you get that back in, oh. Oh, almost. There it goes. Back in, and you're back good to go. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope I helped. Sorry about the bad camera angle sometimes, but appreciate the video. Thumbs up, like, and share. Thanks, guys.